Okay, I think I have this set up. I'm using 4K 24 frames per second linear. I have everything pretty much just on auto mode, GoPro color. Only thing I did was cap the ISO at 1600. So we'll see how some of this footage looks. Can you sing the song?
When the bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. When the bridge is falling down, be afraid.
Made it home, huh?
Did me home.
All right.
Feel that's close.
Okay, it's like dusk. It's basically dark. Low light enough for me, and I'm going to acquire some Mexican food because it is Margarita Monday at my home. So I felt that was the best course of action. Figure I'll get some footage of driving in a car when it's, you know, I mean, it's not full-blown dark, but it's dark enough. Should be at least a pretty decent indicator of how it's going to perform in relatively low light, especially with the reasonably challenging situation of having like lights all around you, headlights from other cars, traffic lights, you know, all that good fun stuff. Because honestly, doing stuff like this, recording in a car, is one of the main things that I do with the GoPro. So we'll see. Oh yeah, also the other thing, really want to see how the audio sounds in a car. I mean, granted, I'm on surface streets, so it's not going to be as challenging as if I were driving at a high rate of speed or, you know, in a car with loud exhaust. This is a Prius, which isn't exactly known for sounding like a hot rod or anything, but still should give me a good idea of how well the built-in front mic is at isolating my voice while still leaving, you know, a decent mix of car sounds, which is what I'm usually going for. Alright, I'm in the parking lot now. I'm just hand holding it. Really like the fact that the prongs fold in. And now I'm gonna go get some Mexican food. Didn't really get as much inside video as I had hoped because my food was actually ready, even though it's only been like 5 minutes. So yeah, this place is good. Go with that. All right, I think I might try the hyperlapse on the way home. It's actually a super short drive. So we're gonna see if automatic mode makes it into something usable, you know what I mean? Because like, realistically, it needs to be pretty dang like a pretty high frame rate to be something usable. Because it's, you know, like a 6-minute drive. So let's find out. All right, a few quick things. Let's see. I really like the new form factor. The lens, when you look at it, doesn't look like it's like that much more flush, but holding it, or especially sticking it in a pocket, it really seems like a big difference. The lack of a cage, the little folding arms on the bottom make me really want to like hand hold it, which is what I'm doing right now. I don't even know if I'll use the little shorty stick anymore. Like, if I'm just gonna, you know, shoot pictures from right in front of me or talking to the camera or something, I might as well just hold it. Seems to be just as good. The microphone's really impressive. The new time warp thing works really well. I use the auto mode, and it made a 10-minute drive into about a 30-second video, which is enough to get a good sense of it, but it's not excessive, you know. I haven't looked at low light performance yet, but I will. I expect it to be passable, but I mean, it is a small sensor. There's only so much you can do. But yeah, overall, so far, I really like the Hero 8. Oh, I do hate the new battery door. Pops off way too easily. I'm kind of freaked out by having the battery hanging out there. Luckily, not many times you're really going to need to have it off. And hopefully when they come out with the mods for it and stuff, I'll pretty much just leave like that media mod on the side, which has like a cover for the battery and also like a port for charging and stuff. So hopefully won't really need the battery door except for like keep it around in my bag in case I want to go swimming or something. But yeah, your battery door definitely does suck.